So you guys, I've just received a Whole Foods delivery and I'm a little sad because they didn't have the 3 things that I needed the most. But I got some vanilla unsweet almond milk and the original unsweet almond milk. These are only $1.99, so these are nice to have. I need to make some milk, but like, we'll see how that goes. So then I've got some roasted garlic pasta sauce. And I just bought this because I just needed to have $35 and I only had like $34.60. The pipe regat. And I think they only have the organic ones. Wow, she's healthy. The best rice noodles of all time. They actually finally had them back in stock. And then I wanted broccoli slaw so I could make egg rolls, and they didn't even have the broccoli slaw. They lied to me. And then I bought freaking elbow macaroni noodles because I was gonna make macaroni and cheese, and then they didn't even have the cheese. But we do have white cheddar cheese, but they had this habanero cheese and orange cheddar cheese, and that macaroni was gonna be amazing. But we'll have to save that for another day. Bought some eggs, and then I bought some cream cheese, and then I bought some butter, unsalted butter. Also, I don't know how I feel about Whole Foods new packaging. I kind of like it, but then I kind of don't. This is like the new direction. It's more simplistic, more minimalistic, more modern. And then like, this is the old Whole Foods packaging. I don't know, I kind of like the old one better. This is what we've resorted to. Which Whole Foods packaging do you like the best, the old one or the new one? And then I bought coffee creamer because I've never had the oat creamer. So this is hazelnut, my favorite flavor. There's no coconut cream, praise the Lord. Just oat, soy-free, dairy-free. I'm gonna try that out from Califia Farms. And that's it. So you guys, I finally bought a nut milk bag. Apparently this is like the best nut milk bag. This was $13 freaking, so I better have the smoothest, most delicious oat milk I've ever had in my entire life. Hopefully it works. It's Ellie's Best, and this one, I got this on Amazon, and it was the #1 bestseller in the Amazon choice, and apparently it's been on like Thrive Market and all the other sustainable and vegan websites. So I suppose this is the best one, so I bought it. I also bought a Jade Roller finally from Solaris Laboratories. I'm gonna do a full video on this stuff separately, but I thought I'd show you. This is what it looks like. Well, I guess it's not a Jade Roller because mine is made out of opal, not jade. So, but it's really pretty. And then I bought a gua sha face tool. This is Jade. So again, I'll do a video on these 2 products and I'll let you know how they work. Also, my mom bought me a Bible, a new Bible. It's the Home and Rainbow Study Bible. I like the color. Can you see that? It's a pretty Bible. My computer is dusty, but you open it and like, it looks pretty cool. So, you know, so we can praise the Lord. So I bought the Harry Potter illustrated collection. I got it on Amazon, and I got the whole thing for $65. These books are freaking heavy, but it comes with the first 3. Goblet of Fire just came out, so I might go ahead and buy that one soon. Looks like this. Soup's cute. Let me find a cool picture. Boom. These are illustrated by J. Ken. He also illustrated A Journey Through a History of Magic book. This one. There's Nearly Headless Nick. That's a few pictures from the Sorcerer's Stone one. Have the Chamber of Secrets. So individually, I don't know if I said this. These are, yeah, $39.99. On Amazon, I think they're like $27. And then the whole set, the price changes all the time. The cheapest I had ever seen it was $64.99, so I went ahead and bought it. But yeah, this is what the back looks like. And I don't think I did skim through this one, but it's got some cool illustrations, obviously. There's Dobby running down the stairs. This one's really cool. So that's Chamber of Secrets. And then we have Prisoner of Azkaban. It's got the night bus on the front. And then that's the back. I have not opened this one at all, so I don't really know what pictures are in here. We've got, oh, this is where he blew up the aunt. What else we got up in here? Chocolate bar. Here's a cool one. There's